Hello, my crafty friends. I am here to do a purging video. I have so much crafting stuff that I just don't even know what I'm going to do with it all. And I'm trying to make room for everything. So I am making up these very large kits, journaling making kits, or whatever you want to do with them kits, but mostly for journaling. And yeah, let's get into this bag. I put it all in here, but I don't know how I'm going to put it all back in there. But yeah, they come, I'm going to do, each kit will come with like an actual cover that I made. Like this cover right here. I have several different, whoops, it goes this way. I have several different sizes of these. But each kit will come with one of these. And they're totally a snippet cover. I love these. I sewed each one of these. And I put cardstock on the inside, and the spines are oh my goodness. I can't think of the word, but they won't rip. Oh my goodness, it's been a while. So anywho, yeah, each one will come with one of these. And it will come with a piece of my actual snippet roll, 12 inches of the snippet roll, and you can cut this up into pockets or belly bands or just little snippet pieces that you want to decorate with. And I'll go through this really quick. Each kit's going to be totally different, of course. They will all come with just a handful of these little fabric squares that I have a zillion of. I can't count them. I just put a whole bunch of them in here. Looks like a little bit, but there's actually a lot in there. And it will come with some waxed twine. A couple yards of waxed twine to put your journal together with. And it will also come with some jute. And it will come with a bunch of different pieces of lace. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 to 10 different pieces of lace. Oh, go figure, right? Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I will try to go through this fast. It's just, each kit is going to be different, but it will, these are tally cards, vintage. Just a packet of these little envelopes, some bias tape. This is very old. But yeah, each kit is going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to put really large kits together, and hopefully y'all will enjoy them. A bunch of journaling cards, ATC cards. And then there's these. These are all double-sided right here. Some old playing cards. And these are not the shiny ones. These are the really good ones that you can ink up and do all sorts of stuff with these. Some old school math cards. One side's shiny, one isn't. I always use the not shiny side so the ink will take better. Some envelopes, some doilies. This is out of a Daphne Diary magazine, little booklet. A bag, some vintage wallpaper, pieces that you can cut up or use in many different ways. Here's some more. And some school cut-off pieces. They're lined. The old-time practice your handwriting type paper. And this is like cardstock right here. Some just lined cut-off pieces of paper. Some popcorn bags. Some rub-ons. They'll all be differently. I don't know if they'll be rub-ons or stickers, but I have so many stickers and rub-ons that I need to purge them out. And here is, get off there. This is getting into now the authentic vintage items now. Some old photos. Each one will come with some old photos because I have a zillion of them. An old postcard. Some of these have dates on them, some of them don't. Some more old school flashcards. Some really old cooking recipes. Some pages out of a book. And a page out of the bird books. A couple pages of music paper here. Some Daphne Diary pages. Really old pages out of a catalog. Sears and Roebuck catalog, I think. I can't remember exactly which one that is. And this is a little booklet with some articles in it that are from 1932. Some Edith Holden pages. Another bag, a little brown bag. And this is just a very large bag. Envelope, I should say. That you can make a journal out of or use as a bag. Oh, more Edith Holden. And these are some magazines out of a really old cookbook. Magazines. Good Lord, Paula. These are some pages out of some really old cookbook. I mean, fragile. There's a bunch of those. And this is some music paper. Get off. Some music paper out of a 1923 book. I don't know what language this is. It says it's from Italy. I'm not sure exactly what language that's in, but very old. Some old school book pages with little images. A card and the envelope with. And this is out of my big, huge plant book that I have. Some watercolor pages. And there's 5 coffee-dyed pages of paper right here. And this is just a piece of coffee-dyed paper. And some matte pages. And who knows by the time I'm done with this how much more is going to go in here, because I just need to make some room. I'm going to save a lot for myself, of course, but I'm also going to just add to these until the bag is so full that I can't put any more in it. LOL. However, I want you to see kind of sort of what is in these little packages and what you will be getting on the range of what you will be getting, because like I said, I'll be adding more to these. And yeah, I'm gonna have quite a few of these available. If you're interested, please PM me in the description box below and I will get one of these right out to you. Yeah, I'm going to try to be making more videos. I just downloaded this thing that I can play on to make, to edit videos. I'm going to play with doing that. Hopefully, so you don't have to hear all these fumbling things that I do. And then hopefully, once I learn that, you will get more videos from me. Oh, I'm going to show you a sneak peek of some of these covers that I have available. Yeah, there's tons of these. And I will be putting one of these. There's all different shapes and sizes. So you'll be getting one of these sizes in your kit that you order. Let's see this one. But yeah. So, thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. And if you are interested in any of my kits, please leave me a message. I will leave my Facebook below and my Instagram. You can contact me on either one of those. Mostly Facebook, because I'm on there more than Instagram, but yeah. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you more often. Have a great day. Bye-bye.